Hi there, it's me again. I'm Tufel Yusuf and welcome back to my channel, Talented Coder. So, today we are going to learn how to make a age calculator in JavaScript, in JS. So, let's do it. First, as usual, make a new folder and we'll type age calc in JS, right? And open it in VS Code. File, open folder, and the folder is, here we go. Let it load. We are back. It has loaded. So we'll go back, close this one, and create a new file called index.html. And the basic template is boiler code, and over here we'll type age calc in JS, and in the body what we'll do, we'll have an h1. In that h1 it would be something like this. Yes, so we are going to write h1 and we'll add it as 0, just 4, so that we can know where is it, and go live. The browser will open. Where's the browser? Okay, we have the browser open, and just pause it again, go live, it opened, here it is, and we'll link a CSS file as link CSS and create a new file, style.css. And over here what we are going to do is type body font size of 50 pixels and font family of sans serif. Let's take it out. Yes, this is good. We'll make it a bit small because when we put the text, no problem, it's perfect. So now what we are going to do, add the JS. So script source, we'll put it as calc.js, right? And over here what we are going to do, we are going to type as calc.js, and over here we'll just close this for a moment, and over here we'll think, what is this thing going to do? So I'll explain it about it to you. What it does is, now you type your date of birth in it, right? So once you type, it will create a sentence that will come into the h1 statement. For example, you are this much around. If you put it as you were born on 2000, you were born on 2000, so it will say you're 20 years old now. So see, so this is how you make it. First we will select all the elements we would need. So to do that, we have to create a, so to do that what we have to do is, we will type constant h1 equals to document.query selector, and what is that, h1, yeah, of course, there we go. Okay, so now once we have got the h1 selected, let's have another one, that is let year equals to prompt. Prompt is something I'll show you right now. It's a cool thing in JavaScript. Prompt, and in the prompt what we'll be doing is we'll add something called enter the year you were born, right? Okay, let's take it out. This is what prompt is. Look at this. It says enter the year you were born. Cool, right? So cool. And just you must enter text actually. Okay, that is okay. And now we have done the first two steps of it, first two main steps, and this gets a bit irritating sometimes with this prompt. So just we'll make it a comment by putting some slashes or dashes or clashes, whatever you call it. So over here we have calc.js h10, okay, and now let's do the calculator part. So now here we go. So now we create a function calculate age, right? And this will take two arguments, that is the year, right? Yes, that is the year. And now what we are going to do is the year, yes, of course. And now over here what we are going to do is we just type a return h1 dot text content equals to, we'll put a this type of string. This is not a string, a type of string. Okay, so here we would type as you are, and we put the dollar and this for that as year, and we have to convert it to a number. So number, right? So number year up, it's not that, it's this, the year, this year is 2020 minus number of the year. We'll just put a curly braces so that to be sure whether it converts, right? Years old, and we'll add a emoji just for fun. Here we go, and we'll type here as shock. Here we go, right? So that is all, and don't forget to call the function. So we call it as calcage and the year, because that this thing comes from this, right? Yes. And we have to uncomment it. Let's try it out. Enter the year you were born. So actually, let's say 1990. Whoa, you are 30 years old. Oh my, it's working, right? You show it to your friends, your parents, or anyone, any guardian of yours or siblings. They would really love it. So it's a cool and creative idea, so I'm sharing to you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please support me by subscribing and liking. So see you all guys later. Bye bye.